Black holes are among the most fascinating and mysterious objects in the universe. They are regions in space where the gravitational pull is so strong that not even light can escape. But how did we discover the first black hole? Back in the 1960s, astronomers noticed an intense source of radio waves coming from a region in the constellation Cygnus. This source was named Cygnus X-1. Further observations revealed that Cygnus X-1 was a binary star system in which one star appeared to be invisible. In the 1970s, scientists observed X-ray emission from Cygnus X-1, which indicated that the invisible companion was a compact object, possibly a black hole. The idea that a black hole could be the companion to a visible star was groundbreaking, as it provided evidence for the existence of black holes, which were previously considered purely theoretical. Since the discovery of Cygnus X-1, many other black holes have been detected using a variety of techniques, including X-ray telescopes, gravitational wave detectors, and other instruments. The study of black holes has led to many new discoveries about the nature of the universe and has opened up new avenues of research in astrophysics.